Here, I'm discussing about that header tags. Header total will be called H1 to H6. H1 is called main heading, H2 is the subheading, H3 is the subheading, H4 is the minor content headings, H5, 6 will be footer headings. Here, lot of people asking my interview question. What are the effectives on the header tags on your websites? Remember, H1 is called main keyword. Every website is the main keyword. Suppose if I'm go to the Google, when I'm searching for my so and so my keyword, the keyword highlight on based on SEO. H1 tag is a highlight from your SEO part. That is called promote your content. See here in this my website, this is I'm using for H1 tag. Means you can promote my website name. Why? Because the main page is called my website name. If you promote for in particular keyword, you can using for H2, H3, H4, H5 will be like this. But H5, H6 will be footer purpose. In a content part, we can using for H4. Suppose in my website, I'm using for H1 or H2, H3, H4 and H5. How to know check? That is called go to your page source, Control U. If you're checking purpose, Control F, H1 is there. How many? Only one. Why? Because any website H1 tag you can use only for one. Not using more than H1 tag is the on using website. If you're using more than H1 tags on your website, that is called error. Why? Because any website heading will be only for one. Don't select anything of the more than heading tags. See here, H1 tag how many? Two. One is open, second will be close purpose. Always remember, your heading tags will be like this. Please write down syntax. This is syntax for header tags. This is a syntax. This is the size of your heading tags. You see. H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. They can use always will be like this. Main heading to subheading, subheading, minor heading, footer headings. Always remember, the question is called why we are using for heading tags. The website we are using for H1 is the one that is called keyword highlighting purpose. Every website we can using how many H1 tags? Only for one H1 tag. Why? Because overall website heading will be only for one. Remaining we can using for subheadings, minor headings, subheading and footer headings. Footer heading nothing but powered by, authored by, designed by so and so. There is all will nothing but H5 and H6. Is it clear? Always remember, if anyone asking the interview question, the header tags using for keyword highlighting on using H1 tag. These are your main heading on your website. Any content. If highlighting for your client location, everything, they're using for H2. You can using for H3 for promoting on your highlight keywords, training, our blogs, our team. Promote any content using for H4. If showing for powered by, author by, using for H5 and H6. This is the purpose of using for header tags. SEO friendly, H1 is the most effective on your keyword for indexing purpose. H1 is not using, the keyword will be not using for your website pages also. Is it clear? This is for meta tags on your website.